Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, Bricoleuse, where I share tips, techniques, and equipment trainings from almost 30 years working as a costume craftsperson. In this video, I'll show you how an industrial hat steamer works, like this one at left. You may have seen similar steamers in dry cleaners or theatrical wardrobe offices with hoses and other attachments for steaming garments or wigs. The water reservoir bottle must be filled with water before using the steamer. Some people prefer to use distilled water with this equipment, but I've had no issues using my local tap water. Here, I'm putting the water reservoir bottle into the steamer and turning it on. It begins heating to generate steam. This is a close-up view of what the on-off switch looks like. Note the protective face shield on the table at right. I often wear this to protect my face from the steam jet, which is quite hot. In my studio, I store a face shield on the steamer tank when it's not in use. Now steam is jetting out of the brass nozzle, which I don't think you can see very well. I'm using it to help reshape this wool flat cap. The brand name of this steamer is Jiffy, but I believe many other companies globally make this equipment. This is a great tool for providing a steady source of steam for the duration of a hat blocking or reshaping process, or to freshen crushed trims. For more equipment profiles and training videos, check out this playlist.